Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of Stickboard Legacy for iOS and Android. So this will give you unlimited gems. So as you can see, I'm pretty poor, but when I press this button, I can actually turn on unlimited gems. So let me just max it out right there and let's see if the gems go up. And then I'm going to show you how to download this Stickboard Legacy mod for your device so you too can add unlimited gems. So let's see what happens. And as you can see, the gems are not increasing yet. So let's see if they go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, there they go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device so you can get unlimited gems in Stickboard Legacy. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you how to get the Stickboard Legacy mod. So what we need to do is go to our browser and go to this website. So let me just type it in. So the website we're going to go to is called matrixmods.com, and you're going to see the Stickboard Legacy mod. So go ahead and press on it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification process you have to do. So this is 100% free from official App Store. And what's going to happen is we have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then the Stickboard Legacy mod will install into our phone. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So we need to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. So they're 100% free from official App Store. So as you can see, we got like Travel Town. This one says down and reach level 9. So it just takes me to the App Store. I just got to play it until I reach level 9. So as you can see, I'm just running this right here, just doing some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So just go ahead and do 2 of these guys, and then you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you later, but yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you're going to be all set. So then I go back to the list and get some more. So scanner apps, there's follow instructions on the next page. Mo Casino, this one says install the app and open it. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, you're going to be all set. So yeah, if you play Stickboard Legacy, guys, you're going to love this. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the App Store and type in Stickboard Legacy, just to show you how expensive it is. So let me just put it in. So you do not need the game installed for this. This is a separate modded version. But as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you clicked on this video, you're not really the paying type. So that's how to get Stickboard Legacy mod for your device. So you can add unlimited gems to your Stickboard Legacy account. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. As you can see, unlimited gems. We got the anti-ban in there as well. So this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to download Stickboard Legacy mod for your device. Unlimited gems, super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This just fully works, guys, and it's super cool. So I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, if you guys are tired of being broke on Stickboard Legacy, be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, have fun. This is totally working, and it's updated for 2026 and everything. So as long as you download 2 of the apps, you should be all set. Press help, you get the video there. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you later. So that's how to download Stickboard Legacy mod. So you can get unlimited gems. So it's pretty simple. So have fun, guys. Try it out. And you should have the Stickboard Legacy mod in your phone. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe, guys. And you should have unlimited gems on Stickboard Legacy now. So I hope the video works to you guys. And be sure to go ahead and share it.